This is damn difficult. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that one and clone it to these edges here. Now I tried to merge these guys and then build it inwards and then clone it based on that edge. Doesn't work. It doesn't put the clones in the at the correct position. Also, you can try. It didn't put it in the correct position with plugins and not with place mesh. Also, you could try to use place mesh on points on polygons. Doesn't work. You'll need to use a plugin. And even when using a plugin, you'll need to make a hack. So what we'll do is we'll take these guys and we'll hit E and T and move that up, but not that much. We'll move it up by 1 millimeter maybe. And if I extend that selection and convert to polygons, minus these, you can cut that out, put that to a new layer, put that in the background. Actually, for this plugin, I'll put that in the foreground. So point clone extra polynormal with these settings will make it work. And so will ultimate clone if I swap the layers and use these settings. So cut that out and paste that in. Use Boolean and subtract. So that works, but that's just damn difficult, you know, making these placing these in that position. I mean, damn difficult. Shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, that's it. Also, of course, when you Boolean this, you're pretty much done. You can't really tweak it. So that's another gotcha. I'll undo it now though, scale it up, and run that over again. But yeah, damn difficult. So be aware.